up, my beautiful people? You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you 4 steps in which 4 super duper steps that you are going to be using aloe vera to achieve a more glowing skin, a more natural, shining and bright skin. Okay, now aloe vera is one very important remedy. I am sure you probably know that, but let me show you a different way to use it. Okay, and your result is going to be so visible, so massive, so bright, and your skin is going to pop. Yeah guys, so let me take you down into the video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share this video, and then let's go. Alright guys, for this we're going to be needing aloe vera, and I have some tiny aloe vera here. Okay, when it's raining like this, aloe vera does not get really big, so this is what I got from my farm. And we'll be needing some tomato, we'll be needing honey. Your honey has to be organic. We'll also be needing sugar. You can either use white sugar or brown sugar. We'll also be making use of flax earth clay powder. Okay, so these are the things we're going to be needing for this. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is to cut this aloe vera into 2 parts. And then we'll have to cut it open. And then we'll have to open it. Okay, this is a very simple way that I use in opening up my aloe vera. Now when you open it up, you'll be using a very sharp knife to pierce it through so that you can get the full benefit of this aloe vera. Okay, just like that. Alright, so this is how it is, really slimy, and it's okay. So the next thing we're going to do is to cut in the tomato. Then we would have to blend it to be very smooth. Or rather, I'm creating mine, or you can blend yours if you want. Alright, so this is it. For the aloe vera and the tomato, I'll be keeping that aside. I'll also be opening the second aloe vera. Now I have to do it the same way I did the first one. I'm going to try to do that really fast. And there you go. Okay, so that is going to go for the white sugar. 1 tablespoon of white sugar is going to be perfect for it. And another cut of that aloe vera. We're going to be opening that up. So we're going to do the same thing. Now why I'm actually doing this way is so that I could have the gel come out really well, so that when you want to scrub your face with it, or rather when I want to scrub my face with it, I am going to have, so I'm going to do that the same way. And that's okay. So I'm going to be needing 1 tablespoon of raw organic honey for this particular one. Fourth one the same way. So I'm gonna be needing half teaspoon of Fuller's Earth clay powder, and these are the 4 steps in which you're going to be scrubbing your face with it. Now if you can have these 4 different ingredients with aloe vera, your skin is going to really glow. Okay, so let's go and apply this so that you see the difference. Alright, so these are the 4 steps of using aloe vera, and this is it. Okay, so the first one I'm going to do is that I'm going to use the aloe vera with tomato. Okay, so I'm going to grab the tomato into this aloe vera, use it and scrub my face with it. Then I love using aloe vera scrub. It works really wonders on the skin. Now you can actually try these 4 steps and know which one is going to be very useful or helpful to your skin. But for me, I just love to use the 4 steps at a go. Okay, I exfoliate all of my skin with it. And poof, I get all of the full benefits. Aloe vera is actually very bitter, so if you get into your mouth, it's your luck. It's going to be very bitter. So this is actually the first one, tomato. Alright guys, so I just finished washing off the tomato and aloe vera, and the next one I'm going to be using is going to be the aloe vera and Fuller's Earth clay powder. So I'm going to be dipping it like this, and man, I love the smell of this Fuller's Earth. Like, oh my god, it smells really good. Okay, so after doing that, I'm also equally going to be using the aloe vera and honey. Okay, on the same face which I didn't wash. Okay, so to follow that up, I'm also going to be using the aloe vera and sugar, which is actually the last one. I love aloe vera and sugar. Like, the sugar particles actually helps to scrub out anything on your skin. So I'm actually going to be packing all of this. Okay, both the Fuller's Earth clay, the sugar, honey and tomato. We'll mix everything together, and there you go. Apply it onto my face. Alright, so after doing this, you have to wash. You can actually wash just right immediately. Okay, and you can repeat this as often as you can. Okay, for this particular one, It does not have like any time limit because all of them are actually very very mild on the skin, so you can repeat it any time that you want to. And this is actually really good on my skin right now, so you can actually hold on for a couple of minutes and go wash it off. Like, your skin is going to be glowing. So those are the 4 common steps that I do. I use it with sugar, I use it with tomato, I use it, like, it is super duper great, and it's smoothing my skin, okay, you know, and it makes my skin really like uniform, like from my head to my toes. Sometimes I just rub it all over my body, so you can equally apply it on your body. It is body, and it's gonna do a whole lot of stuff. It's gonna whoop out all of those dead skin cells, you know, that is actually making your whole skin look dark. Okay, so that's it. If you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share the video, and I'll see you again most definitely. Bye guys, and